Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, it's Chill Out Friday today, right? So let's do our deep breathing, in through our nose and out through our mouths. Oh, that feels so good. What about you? I needed that. All right, before we go any further, to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. We're talking about frankincense and myrrh, the benefits. We getting ready to make salve with them. Come on, let's get into this video. Okay, so what do we have? I have my notes. The benefits of frankincense. First of all, you know it's biblical, right? That when they came with frankincense, myrrh, right? So we're going to make a salve. And we just might make a soap as well. And gold. We're going to use 24 karat gold mica. Okay? So, frankincense is considered liquid gold. That's how great and powerful frankincense is. I only worked out a few benefits. There's so many that it is incredible. This is an incredible oil, guys. It really is. Okay, well, let me stop rambling on and get started. Frankincense reduces inflammation. It helps prevent acne. Let me show you here. This is frankincense, okay? It helps prevent acne. It's an anti-aging, guys, frankincense. Helps reduce wrinkles, superpowers. It has superpowers. Liquid gold for your face. Guys. It lowers stress. It helps with sleep, tightens and brightens your skin. Okay, and I also researched that frankincense is extremely potent. That means you cannot put this on directly onto your skin. Most essential oils you cannot do that with. They're too potent. You always have to use a carrier oil like jojoba, coconut oil, or olive oil. Okay? That's for frankincense. So, first of all, if you're watching this video, today is Black Friday. And I definitely have a Black Friday sale at my Etsy shop at Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off of hands, okay? And that's on Etsy. I do have a Black Friday sale. Go over and check it out. And I will also have a Cyber Monday as well, okay, guys? I wanted to let you know that. Like I said, it's biblical spices and an anointing oil too. It's an anointing oil, all right? So we're going to use frankincense. Also, we are going to use myrrh. Okay? Myrrh Essential Oil. So the benefits of myrrh is, it is a reddish brown dry sap from the tree, which is native to northeastern Africa and Southwest Asia. And that's myrrh oil. It's an amber brown in color and has an earthy scent. Let's smell frankincense. This is my big can of frankincense. It is very powerful, guys. Very powerful. Okay. We're back with myrrh again. Okay. It helps with pain, swelling, infections. It's an antitoxin. It helps with skin sores. It kills harmful bacteria. Also treats oral infections. It also helps with inflammation. And some natural toothpastes and mouthwash will contain myrrh. Okay? Myrrh oil has been approved as a flavoring by the FDA. So that is great. So our salve for tomorrow's video will be frankincense and myrrh with beeswax, but we are going to use a special beeswax. We're going to do candela, okay? Beeswax. All right? And we also going to use 24 karat gold mica. So remember, so there was gold, frankincense, and myrrh. All right? Guys, I forgot to give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, be thankful. How was your Thanksgiving yesterday? I hope it was fine. Mine was great. Thank you for asking. Be safe out there today. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Make sure you go over and check out my shop at Etsy, okay? Glennceria Loving Hand. I am having a special for Black Friday and also for Cyber Monday. Enjoy your weekend, guys. And the quote of today again is, be thankful. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. From Glennceria Loving Hands. See you in my next video where we're making frankincense and myrrh salve. All right, guys. Bye-bye for now.